Okay, so we're on our way to M2K right now to get some catless mid pipes. Oh, no, just the catless mids coming off the long tubes into the catback. I'll put a clip right now. Actually, no, I'm gonna put a clip of before cold start. It's gonna end up being long tube headers with catless with the MBRP Street catback. Let's see. All right, Colby. Just left M2K. Oh my God. Dude.
You like it?
And it's not like, what I'm impressed, it didn't lose any tone whatsoever.
No, not at all.
This smells not bad at all. Oh, that's definitely louder. That sounds so good. It's not even that big of a difference either.
It's
your mufflers,
but it's not like
it's your mufflers.
It's weird to change the mufflers, bro.
Oh man,
but it does pop a little bit.
It popped a lot when he was in there. You notice any difference yet or not? What do you mean? It's meaner, that's for sure. You can really hear the mufflers working now. You know what It does not pop like that normally. Send it. Second got locked up.